objects from array. Get objects from an array is a common task in programming, especially when dealing with collections of data. Objects are those with identical or matching properties. The goal is to filter the array to keep only unique objects based on a specific criterion, such as a unique identifier. Methods can be employed to achieve this in JavaScript, and they often involve iterating through the array and comparing objects. Techniques include using filter in combination with index of, utilizing set, employing the reduce function, utilizing a map to keep track of unique objects, or using external libraries like Lodash. Subscribe and visit tutsmake.com website and channel. Different approaches you can use. Using filter and index of. Utilizes the filter function along with index of to iterate through the array and filter out duplicate objects based on a specified property, e.g. ID. It checks if the index of the current item is the same as the index of the first occurrence of an object with the same property value. Using set. Set is a concise way to eliminate duplicates. By converting each object to a string with JSON.stringify, it ensures uniqueness in the set. Afterward, the stringified objects are back to their original using JSON.parse to obtain the array of unique objects. Using reduce. Employs the reduce function to build a new array while checking for duplicate objects based on a specific property, e.g. ID. It avoids adding an object to the new array if an object with the same property value has already been added. Or using map. Objects utilized to keep track of unique objects based on a specified property, e.g. ID. It iterates through the array and uses the ID property as the key in the map. If an object with the same ID is encountered later in the array, it overwrites the previous entry in the map. Source code equals https://www.tutsmake.com/.